Welcome to your channel Rayofhope. And this is going to be another day, another series of bug bounty, or you can say web application penetration testing. And today we gonna cover login bypass, authentication bypass, second lab or Portswigger, right? Okay. So this is how the labs looks like, right? I am not going to read the description or anything, right? Over here, what we can see, SQL injection vulnerability allowing login bypass, right? That means we can bypass the login as well, right? Well, there are two types of attack. I would say the first one is get method and the second one is post method. Remember that people may give you that there are like a year based, time based, this and that, union, second order, and whatnot, right? Yes, those are the types of SQL injection only. But mainly, if you say there are only two types of SQL injection, which is get method and post method. Basically, when we perform the task on an URL, right? URL, we are trying to get some data. That is where we are performing get-based SQL injection, right? But when we are performing something on login pages, forms, or we are updating some sort of data, then we are performing post-based SQL injection. I hope I made my point clear. The same theory part it will be available on my Medium, and the link I will be sharing in the comment box. Make sure after watching the video, you are going to read the blog as well, because in this module, I am going to show you practically how I demonstrated, but the fundamental behind this, I will be writing this blog on Medium, which you can read it, right? For each of the lab, you will have theory as well as practical, right? Okay, so now we have to bypass the login pages, right? I will tell you, in post method, it happens. In get method, errors happen. In post method, error happen. In get method, error happen. Means the vulnerability which exists in get will exist in post as well. There is no difference, right? The only difference the way we initiate, right? So suppose, I'll try something like this, right? Like I try to one single quote. See what I'm getting? It's a malleable, right? So what if I try to do like this and double boot? What I'm trying to do, why did I use this hyper? Because I'm trying to comment out this part of the SQL code. Again, nothing. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Are we doing something wrong? Okay. So I tried using the truth connection characters, right? Numbers actually, because we know 1 equal to 1 is universal truth, right? So when I was trying to use this, I was trying to see whatever the data which is on the first, I can get it, right? But it is giving me an error, right? So what I do, I'll try to perform some admin vulnerability to see if I'm able to bypass, because sometimes it happens that the application uses the default currencies, right? So we have to use those as well to see if we are able to get it, right? Again, even this is not working. If I use like administrator, single quote, hyphen, right? Again, once you use hyphen, no matter how many characters, even one character or two character or like 100 of characters, right, in the password, that will be commented out actually, right? So that doesn't matter. Once I click login, there you go. We saw the lab, right? I hope I make you point clear, right? So for this vulnerability, if someone can ask you how you can remediate this, right? The major problem which was here actually, I was able to, use the special character, right? Suppose on login pages, if you recommend the client to use input validation and sanitization, then no matter if actually you can say like you should use server side validation, right? And input sanitization. That means even if you try, I mean, if I put like single put double quote, it will not take it. And then it can also include, like I say, that you can use a firewall as well and block the number of times. So these are the some indications you can give as well, right? And this vulnerability also known as authentication bypass. I hope you learned something today in this lab. So do read a blog. You would definitely love it. There are something which will help you, right? Again, I'm saying after watching the video, please read the blog, right? Do like, subscribe, and share reviews in the comment box. Thank you.